In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate difference between two dates in Excel. Open Excel and get two dates ready, one that represents the start and one for the end. We'll use a single function to calculate the gap between them, and you can choose whether you want the result in years, months, or days. The function is called dateDiff. It takes three things: the start date, the end date, and a unit that tells Excel how to measure the difference. Even if you don't see dateDiff appear in the formula suggestions, it works perfectly. Here's the basic idea. The syntax is equal dated RIF start date end date unit. The unit is what controls the result. Use Y for years, M for months, or D for days. Make sure your start date is earlier than your end date, or the function will return an error. Let's walk through examples for each. Imagine your start date is in cell A2 and your end date is in cell B2. To calculate the difference in years, click into an empty cell and type equals dateDiff A2 B2 Y. This returns the number of whole years completed between the two dates. If the dates are, say, January 1st, 2020 and March 15th, 2024, the result is 4 because 4 full years have passed. If you want the difference in months, use EADS dateDiff A2 B2 M. This gives you the total number of complete months from the start to the end date, ignoring leftover days. For the same dates, the result would be the count of all full months in that span. Remember, it doesn't show partial months, it rounds down to completed months. For days, enter equal dateDiff A2 B2 D. This one counts every single day between the two dates, which is perfect when you need precise day totals, like tracking deadlines or duration ins. A few quick tips to keep your results accurate. First, check that your dates are true dates, not text. If Excel left aligns them or a formula returns an error, try re-entering them or use the date function, like each date 2024 3/15, to build a valid date. Second, ensure your end date isn't earlier than your start date. If you need to repeat these calculations for many rows, enter the formula once and drag the fill handle down to apply it to the rest. That's all you need: start date, end date, and the unit, Y, M, or D, with the dateDiff function handling the rest.